Hello there, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download and install the Tubi TV application on your Android TV. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share this video. So if you've been looking for a way to install the Tubi TV application for movies on your Android TV, in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step. That's a full guide on how to install this application to your Android TV, everything you do need. So this can work on your Android TV, Firestick, Smart TV, or any TV you're using. Just follow the process step by step. So here's what to do. We're going to be using this application to install the Tubi TV application. Now the reason I'm using this is because I don't have Google Play Store on my Android TV. So this video is going to be showing you how to install this application without Google Play Store. And most of the time, if you go onto your inbuilt app store, you might not even see the application. So if you're facing the same problem like me, then this video is for you. And the video is going to be step by step how to install Tubi TV without Play Store or without your App Store. So the first thing we have to do is to get this application. It's called Downloader. If you don't have Downloader on your Android TV also, I'm going to show you how to install Downloader. I already have it installed, but let me just quickly show you how to install it. So if you want to install Downloader, just go to your inbuilt browser. Your inbuilt browser is the browser that came with your Android TV. So you go to your inbuilt browser. Here's how mine looks like. Yours might look familiar or similar. Now go to the search bar and just type in downloader app. That's all you need to type, and then click search. What is going to happen is that it's going to show you a search result page like this, and it's going to the first option is going to show you how to install the application. Now this link is going to lead us to the web version of Google Play Store. So it's bringing us to the web version of Google Play Store. Note that we don't have Google Play Store on our Android TV, but we can still access the web version of the Play Store on an Android TV by just typing the name of the application, and it's going to redirect us to the web version like this. Now here's the thing, if it's your first time clicking this, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Google account. So you just have to go ahead and sign in with your Google account. It's not a difficult thing, just adding your Google Gmail address and also your password. Now once you are here, it's going to look something similar like this. Now mine does not have the install button because I have already installed the application. If you've not installed the application, instead of the open button here, you're going to see the install button here. All you have to do is you type in or click on it, click OK, and the application will be installed right away. It has no complication. You just have to click on install, and download will be installed to your Android TV without any problem from the Google version. So once that is done, all you have to do is just to go back and you can start using the downloader app. So as you come back here, the application is going to be installed to your Android TV, and we're just going to go ahead to use it to install the Tubi TV on Android TV. So you launch downloader. As I explained earlier, downloader is an application that helps you to download files, and it also acts as a search engine or a browser. So here's how it looks like. Now I'm going to show you two options to installing the Tubi TV. And the first option, most of the times it doesn't work, or it doesn't work on all Android TV or all locations or wherever you are located. Now you want to really enjoy some of these applications very well, you might want to use a VPN. Now once you're here, I'm going to show you two methods, but the second method is the surest and most guaranteed method to work. But I'm still going to show you the first method, by the way. So the first method is by you just searching the application. So just go over here and type in Tubi TV app. So this is the first method. As I explained earlier, the first method has its limitation in that it doesn't work on all Android TV, and also it doesn't work everywhere around the world. So just type in the application and you search, and this is what is going to happen. Downloader is going to bring you a result page showing you where you can install the application from. As you can see here, the various options. Now you can click on this, which is going to bring us to the web version of our Google Play Store, just like we did for downloader. So if you click this, it's going to take you to the web version of Google Play Store. Remember, we don't have the Google Play Store application on an Android TV. So you see, here's it. Now here's what I was talking about. It doesn't work in all every place because TV is not available in all countries around the world. Like mine, it is not available in my country, so I cannot install it from Play Store with this option. That's why I say the first option most of the times it doesn't work. It might work in your country, if they support it on your Google Play Store, but it doesn't work on mine. So I'm going to show you the second option, which is the option I'm guaranteeing you that it's going to work. So just come back, just close this or go back home, and in the box here, instead of typing a name down Tubi TV, we're going to type in a code. Now downloader works also with code, where you just type in a simple code and it's going to lead you to downloading any application. So I'm just going to be showing you the code you have to type here. So the code is 5344748. So here is the code. Once you are done typing the code, just go ahead and click on OK. And as I explained earlier, it's just going to go straight away to downloading the APK of the application without any hesitation. So as you can see on my screen here, the application will start downloading right now. As you can see, it's downloading. Now that the application has been downloaded, what you have to do is to install it to Android TV. So this is the Bluetooth application. It is downloaded. To install it, all you have to do is to come over here and just click on install. So just give it a moment, let the application done installing. Now, as I explained earlier, this works on all Android TV. If you're following this on a Fire Stick, the process is still the same. If you're following this on a Samsung, Hisense, LG, Android TV, the process is still the same. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more important videos like this. And as I was explaining earlier, most of the time this application might not work on your Android TV because of your geographical location and you need a VPN. So if you're looking for the best VPN to watch movies without any limitations on your Android TV, check the description of this video. I've added two links there that's going to help you choose any of the VPN. There is Surfshark VPN and there is NordVPN. Just choose any of the VPN that you're okay with and you're going to go ahead and subscribe. Click on the links and you are going to receive an 83% off your first subscription of any of the VPNs. And also you're going to be receiving 3 months for free if you choose any of the options in the description of this video. So as you can see, the application has been installed. Once it's installed, please don't go ahead to open it. Just click done and then delete the app file. Remember, your Android TV doesn't have a lot of space, so it's not always good to clip app files on it. So once you are done there, you just go ahead and return home. The application has been downloaded and installed. So if you come back home, so as you can see on my screen, Tubi TV has been installed. Here is it, and I don't have Play Store. I didn't use Play Store to install the application, and also I didn't use my App Store. All I used was a download application and a code. So once it's installed, you can just go ahead here and launch the application and start using it the way you want it to. So here's the Tubi application. Just launch it, click on it, and you can start using it on your Android TV without any problems. Remember, if you have any limitations, just try using a VPN and you enjoy the applications without any limitation, no matter wherever you are around the world. So here's the application. I just want to give you a quick view of how it looks like before I end the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you find the video available. See, you see, the service is not available in my country, so that's why I say you need to use a VPN depending on wherever you are. So you need a VPN. In the description of this video, I've attached two VPNs that you might use to use this application without any limitations.